Motion backgrounds are now used to make videos more interesting and lovely, which also helps in viewers' retention. In the year 1919, there was nothing like motion background, which makes videos very boring.
Stop lying, bro. Were you there?
Using a motion background in your video can really help you in making your videos interesting and lovely. In fact, people like me who are not good in video editing usually use motion background to cover up.
Bro, you just exposed yourself.
I just exposed myself. Anyway, no problem. Let me give you the list of the best motion background you can download today. I will start from the bottom to top. Is that the best way to go?
Start from any way, bro. You can start from left to right.
Alright, let me start from 5 to 1. The number 5 on my list is Abstract Blue Wave. You might have seen this in some of the popular YouTube channels, and you keep wondering if they made them by themselves. Well, I will expose them today. They didn't make this. They also got them from somewhere. Okay, let's move to number 4. Tunnel Corridor Scifi. This is a very nice looking motion background, which you can use for many purposes, depending on what you are doing and what you want to use it for. Your only limitation is your imagination. Moving to number 3. Sunset Blender Mountains. This one is really good for those who want to use it for what they want to use it for.
What are you saying, bro?
Stop asking me. Let's move to number 2. Lines Digital Abstract. I think I will use this one in my Terminator filming video next week. It looks nice and robotic. You can use it to film your next movie too. Just think very well, you can use it to beautify your video and make you viewers say, "This guy is genius." Now let me show you the last, and the one I think is the best among the listed ones. Before then, let me play the song my AI girlfriend sang for me. I almost forget to tell you, the link to download the motion backgrounds is in the description of this video.
What did I just listen to, bro? Is she crying?
That is not your problem. Let's move to number 1. Motion Beautiful Wallpaper Background.
The name really sounds good.
On this one, I'm not gonna say anything. Just use your brain to think of what you think you can use this particular one for, and thank me later. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.